Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vlog. So yan guys, kamusta kayo? And yan guys, napaka-ulan na naman ng ilang buwan ng maulan and lagi kayong magdadala ng payong and yun nga, para iwas sakit. Yan guys, for today's video guys, isasama namin kayo sa aming special ganap, which is ang audition day ni Daniel. So ginawa nila to dati, ito yung SM Little Kids. So this time si Daniel na lang yung makakasali kasi si CJ is lagpas na ng age requirement kasi ang hinahanap na ngayon is 4 to 7, CJ is 8, si Daniel is 6, so pasok pa siya, meron pa siyang hanggang next year na pagsali. So yan,
meron ka nakita na hanggang 10 yun
nga, this time abangan nyo kung ano yung sasabihin ni Daniel. So huwag kami guys, in surprise na sa vlog, so abangan nyo ang kanyang sasayawin. So yan guys, nakapag-prepare na kami and then alas na rin kami and ano lang namin si Mahal, gising. And then yan guys, kita-kits tayo pag nandun na tayo sa SM Bacoor. Bye! So yun guys, welcome back. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng SM Bacoor. So yun guys, pupunta na kami ng audition. So samahan nyo kami sa aming
si Mama.
Yun, so kami tatlo lang. So samahan nyo kami sa aming audition journey ni Daniel. So here we go. Tara na boy!
One eternity later.
So yun guys, welcome back. So yun guys, katatapos lang namin magpa-register ni Daniel. So ngayon,
guys, nakita ko si Ate Angel from
so yun, so yun, sila nakakilala ng artist na yun. Hindi ko kilala yung social media artist na yan. So yun, then yun guys,
tapos last year nakita ko si
punta kami sa itaas para pa-print tsaka magpa-xerox ng birth certificate din niya. So dyan lang kayo.
Moments later.
So yan guys, katatapos lang namin magpa-print sa photo line. Then yun nga, hindi namin nakuha agad. So babalikan namin after 30 minutes. So ngayon, kakain muna kami. Then after nun, babalikan yung picture. Then yun nga, balik na kami sa audition ni Daniel. So samahan nyo lang kami. So yan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa KFC.
my favorite restaurant in the world.
So yan, tamang kain muna kami habang di pa naman nag-i-start and matagal-tagal pa naman yung break. Then after nito, babalik kami dun sa photo line para kunin yung picture ni Daniel para kailangan namin may submit yung picture niya. Then so yun nga. And yan, dyan lang kayo guys.
Many tic-tacs later.
So yan guys, katapos lang namin kumain and kakakuha lang namin ng picture ni Daniel na ipapasa namin kasi kailangan ng picture yung para sa audition. So for our tie size, isang close-up at isang whole body. So yan guys, pupunta na kami doon at samahan si Daniel sa kanyang audition journey and yung perform ng mga ibang bata na gagawin doon. So tara na!
Sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo, ang 601 wala na.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. no I don't take shit. I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show.
Much later.
Kakatapos lang ng audition ng SM Little Stars. Yan guys, nakita nyo naman sobrang dami ng sumali. And hindi ko naman lahat nakuha na ng video clip. Nanguha lang talaga ako ng mga ilan. Then yung nga paulit-ulit na naman ginagawa nila. And I hope makapasok na si Daniel this time. Kasi napansin ko siya lang naman yung parang may okay na audition pace kasi iba dun is paulit-ulit lang. So yan, I hope makapasok si Daniel sa next round. Then guys, pauwi na rin kami. Makabot na kami ng ulan na malakas. Then I hope na enjoy nyo itong video vlog namin for today. So yan guys, hanggang dito na muna ang video vlog. So after nyo mapanood ang video na to, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like at subscribe para mas updated sa akin mga vlog ganap. So hanggang dito lang muna. Bye bye, stay safe.